if you're looking for a gaming PC in 2023 and your budget is around $1,500, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you the best PC components that you should buy to get the ultimate gaming performance. Let's get started. Now first, for the processor, I've chosen the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X. This one cost around $192. Now as you can tell by the reviews, this processor have nearly 13,000 plus positive reviews on Amazon, which is an excellent thing. And why I have choose this processor? This processor comes with 8 cores and 16 threads, which will give you excellent performance in productive level workload. If you are planning to do content creation and do a lot of video editing, this will help you out. And also this processor comes with 4.7 GHz boost clock speed, which will give you excellent ultimate performance in gaming. So it's an excellent processor in this price. Then for the CPU cooler, we are using the Corsair iCUE H100i. This one costs around $149. As this processor is a very power hungry processor, we are using an excellent CPU cooler. But if you want to save some money, you can always go with an air cooler. And for the motherboard, I've chosen the Asus ROG Strix B550F. This one costs around $185. You will get 4 RAM slot, PCIe Gen for NVMe SSD support, which is currently the fastest on the market. Large amount of heatsink over the VRM section, so you won't see any thermal throttling. And as this is a B550 series motherboard, you can overclock this processor, so it's an excellent deal in this price. Now comes the main components of this build, the graphics card. And here we are using an Asus TUF Gaming RTX 3070 Ti. This one costs around $679. Now this is the cheapest RTX 3070 Ti graphics card on Amazon, and at this price it's offering excellent value for money. And with this graphics card, you can basically play any modern games at 1440p resolution with high settings. You can even play games at 4K resolution with medium settings. So it's an excellent, powerful, high-end gaming graphics card in a mid-range price. Then for the storage, you are using the Western Digital Black 1TB. This one costs around $59. And as you can see, it has nearly 3000 plus 4.8 star positive reviews on Amazon. And it's because for only $59, you are going to get a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, which comes with up to 5150 Mbps read-write speed, which is excellent value for money for an SSD in this price. Then for the RAM, we are using the Z-Skill Trident Z 32GB RAM. This one costs around $89. Now those RAMs have nearly 3000 plus 4.8 star reviews on Amazon. So as you can see, I am recommending the best components that money can buy. And also you can control the lighting of those RAMs with software. So it's an excellent deal. Then for the power supply, you are using Corsair RM750E. This one costs around $99. For only under $100, you are going to get a fully modular power supply, which comes with 80 plus gold certification, and also it comes with up to 10-year plus warranty. So with this price, it's an excellent deal. And finally, for the casing, you are using Corsair 4000D Airflow. This one costs only $94, and for only $94, you are going to get a case with up to 10,000 plus 4.8 star positive reviews. And this case is an excellent, simple, minimalistic yet modern looking case. You will get a mesh front, so there will be excellent airflow, and all those components will cost you around $1,500 to up to $1,600. Thanks for watching.